Riddler's loose in Arkham City. He's taken the guards from the church hostage.
As I recall, he's been incarcerated since you led the police to his location from Arkham Island. What does he want?
Revenge. He's leaving me radio frequencies, and he gave me a device to decode his riddles. They lead to map references within Arkham City. I'll let you know how I get on.
"30 days has November, April, June, and September. Of 28 is but one. All the rest are 31. Of course, leap year comes and stays. Every 4 years got it right. And 28 is 29.
This gets more dangerous every day. What are we waiting for?
Joker's got more men on the ground than us. We need to be smart. Waiting up here don't sound too smart.
Have you forgotten about the Bat? What about Catwoman? We wait. Seriously? We wait. They'll move into our trap and we can take them all out with ease. It'll be sweet, don't worry. As long as we don't freeze to death first. Quit moaning or I'll send you down alone.
Lie to me. I don't like it when people lie to me.
I'm not. Please, don't hurt me.
Why don't I believe you, huh? Oh, that's right. You're just some maggot who will say anything to get out of a beating. What do I need to break before you do what I want?
You don't! Please, I'll do it. Thank you.
No, please. We will, just as soon as you tell us where Freeze is hanging out.
Do I look like I hang around with that psycho? How the hell should I know where he is? Waste him. Please, no!
Then tell us where he is.
I don't know where he is, but I can ask around, see if anyone else knows anything. Okay, that might work. Thank God. Hurt him some more, and then let him go. What? We need to know you'll come back. This way, you'll know what's waiting if you try and screw us over. Freeze. Yes, yes! Please just stop hitting me!
lost sight of Batman. I repeat, target is missing.
Batman! Batman! The freaking man! Come on, Ben! Run away! Hide!
Where's Frey's hiding?
This has nothing to do with me!
Look out! It's the bat!
Looking for the Iceman. Where is he?
It's Batman!
Someone's fighting over here!
So you decided to finally show up, did you?
Let them go, Riddler. They're innocent.
Don't be stupid, Dark Knight. They wouldn't find themselves in the predicament they are currently in if they had tried to think just a few steps ahead now, would they? Now, if you solve the room ahead and 4 other equally challenging ones, you save them. If you don't, then they die. And we'll see if society crumbles at their passing.
You're insane.
No, that would imply either mental illness or derangement. I suffer from neither. Oh, and yes, I can see you, Batman, and I look forward to watching you fail. Well done, Dark Knight. You figured out how to open a door.
Hey! Batman! You've got to help me!
It's the Enigma
Get me off this thing!
Is that really you, Batman? Has someone switched places? Oh, very good, Batman. I see you have begun to understand this room. Bathe in the glory of your primitive conquest. It will be your last.
Help me!
I hope you don't think that all of what's
Please,
left
help!
is that simple.
Over here! Stop this thing! Over here!
Don't feel too pleased with yourself, Dark Knight. That
Hang
room was
on.
one of the easy ones.
$625,925. 625,925. That's what he told me to tell you. I don't know what it means, but he said he'd kill the others if I didn't tell you exactly what he said. Why doesn't he just tell you what he wants?
Because he's insane.
You don't say.
Too soon, Dark Knight. The missing ingredient to finding hostages is secrets, and you don't have enough.
Do you know if the others are all right?
Can't die? No way I'll...
What's the bat doing here? You were right. It is the bat.
We'll make sure this hurts, freak.
Positive ID on Batman. He's engaging multiple inmates.
I know you work for Riddler.
How? I mean, yes. Please, don't hurt me. I'll tell you everything.
There was never any doubt in my mind.
Thought Sharp was the one in charge of Gotham. How come he gave it all to Professor Strange? I can't feel my fingers. I'm so cold.
It's Batman!
Time to Batman! You should run, Batman! This is gonna hurt, freak!
Time to decide. Are you tough enough to sign up with Penguin? Or are you just chicken? So what is it?
I'll join Penguin. Always hated the Joker.
Me too.
Good. All you need to do then is pass the trial. Don't get too friendly with each other. Penguin's gonna make you fight for the right to stand with him. Most of you worms won't survive. Some of you will probably kill each other.
This panel is protected using Tiger encryption protocols. I can't decrypt it without access to the master control program Strange uses.
What? We've gotta kill each other?
I don't mind.
Well, screw you. No way am I doing that.
Not a problem. You just run off, you little chicken, and we'll come find you later.
Gotta remember.
Protocol 10 will commence in 7 hours.
Poison ivy. Which is
Tries to Can we just take some? You stupid or what?
Think about it. We open up this crate and take a big hit of that sweet Titan, and then no one can tell us what to do. Not the Joker, not Two-Face, no one.
Did you see what that crap did to Joker?
This Titan container is well protected. The only way to destroy it is to use explosive gel.
Freaky snowman. It's Freeze's fault we're dying.
Please, don't shoot us!
Strange says he likes to twist minds. Fine. I'm gonna twist his neck. They could do with sending a couple of burgers.
More snow. Great.
Tastes like crap. No wonder some of the freaks choose to eat people instead.
Not the way I wanted to go.
It's Batman!
I need to find and destroy the rest of the Titan containers.
Think Batman will come? Penguin's got crap in his museum that will keep him and all the other freaks away.
You think?
Sure. We got military-grade weapons, we got high-tech equipment that can stop an army, and we've got one evil...
I've got a camera out in Sector 1.
Hope you're right.
Of course I am. And anyway, if Batman finds his way into the museum, Penguin's got plenty more up his sleeve. You've seen the stuff in there. It's insane.
Batman spotted.
It's the Bat!
Target Batman has disappeared. We have no vision.
Go! Batman's here!
This is Penguin's turf, you freak. I'm gonna cut you up into tiny pieces for breaking in here.
Must be searched as part of our ongoing commitment to keep you safe and protect the unique collection we have on display. All visitors should be sure to check out our latest attraction. Dangers from the deep. In the aquatic observation. Visitors with a valid ticket or concession can enjoy a discount at the nearby world-famous Iceberg Lounge. Welcome to the Cyrus Pinckney Natural History Institute. All visitors must be searched as part of our ongoing...
I don't think I want you breaking into my little home, Batman.
Something's blocking communication back to the Batcave. Penguin must be using military-grade communication disruptors. The only way to crack this security is to destroy them.
The valid ticket or concession card can enjoy a discount at the nearby world-famous Iceberg Lounge. Welcome to the Cyrus Pinckney Natural History Institute.
I'll never get past the security. I should head back outside and search for Penguin and Jammer.
Collections we have on display. All visitors should be sure to check out our latest attraction, Dangers from the Deep, in the Aquatic Observation Chamber. All visitors with a valid ticket or concession card can enjoy a discount at the nearby world-famous Iceberg Lounge.
My smokes! I told you, they took him off me.
Ori, were you scared?
Yes, they were horrible. I thought they were gonna kill me.
I don't blame him. Look at you, you pathetic sniveling worm. Man, I guess I'm gonna have to teach you a lesson now, aren't I? Do you think I like this, huh? Oh, who am I kidding? I love it! Now hold on to your teeth. This'll hurt a little.
Help! Stop, please! Someone help me! Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna find someplace safe to hide from these animals. I can't believe you saved me. Batman, thank you.
Penguin wants this thing powered up.
The bat's
here. Nope.
Arkham City's where you're gonna die!
Keep hiding up there. We'll still get you. Come down here, Bat. Fight me like a man.
Always knew you were too chicken to face me. Get down here and prove me wrong.
There where you've gone. Someday and kick the living crap out of you. Wherever you've gone, Batman, I'll find you.
jamming tower has 3 terminals attached. I'll need to destroy all 3 to shut it down.
Chicken to fight me like a man, Batman. Figures. We all know you prefer hiding in the... Get down here and fight.
One jammer down. I should look for more.
What's going on out there? What if the jammer signals disappeared? Sorry, Mr. Cole, but I don't know. We'll find out! And while you're doing it, make sure the other jammer's safe, or I'll find you and I'll stick with him.